Most people get credit cards wrong by assuming all rewards and perks are similar, but the Emirates MBD MasterCard Platinum offers some unique advantages that could make it worth applying for. Today, I'm sharing my full review. The card comes with generous cashback and rewards programs. You earn points on daily spending, and points can be redeemed for travel, shopping, or bill payments. The surprising truth is that the Platinum tier includes travel insurance, airport lounge access, and discounts on dining, and entertainment benefits many people overlook. Most people get this wrong by assuming Platinum cards only add prestige without tangible perks, but these features provide real value if you travel frequently. Annual fees are reasonable for the rewards offered, and the card offers competitive interest rates compared to other premium cards. Online and mobile banking is seamless, allowing you to track rewards, pay bills, and manage transactions effortlessly. Eligibility requires a minimum income and a decent credit score. Approval is usually fast, and Emirates MBD provides support for application queries. One thing to note is that some perks, like lounge access or partner discounts, may require registration or activation, so it's important to read the fine print. In conclusion, the Emirates MBD MasterCard Platinum is ideal for individuals who spend regularly on travel, dining, and entertainment. With strong rewards, added travel benefits, and flexible management, it's a competitive card for anyone looking to maximize perks. Subscribe for more honest credit card reviews so you can pick the best card before applying.